How to install 3 WhatsApp in one Android phone. This tutorial shows you how to run 3 separate WhatsApp accounts on a single device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Next, search for WhatsApp Messenger and install the regular WhatsApp app if you haven't already. Following that, set up your first WhatsApp account with your primary phone number. Now, go back to the Play Store and search for WhatsApp Business. Moving forward, tap Install to download WhatsApp Business on your device. Afterwards, open WhatsApp Business and set it up with a second phone number. In addition to that, now you have 2 WhatsApp accounts, one regular and one business. Once there, to add a third WhatsApp account, open the Settings app. Subsequently, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Moreover, tap on Dual Messenger to access the app cloning feature. Afterwards, scroll through the list and find either WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business. Then, toggle on the switch next to the app you want to clone. Within a few seconds, a duplicate version of the app will be installed with a small orange icon. Alternatively, open the cloned app and set it up with your third phone number. Once setup is complete, you'll have 3 separate WhatsApp accounts running on one phone. And that's it. If this multi-WhatsApp guide helped you manage multiple numbers, give it a like, subscribe for more Android productivity tips, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.